How to compare 3 columns of DataFrame together, Python 3.6. I have below DataFrame and I want to compare 3 columns value and update true/false in another column at _name_table_matching. Below my code. I want to update true in it _name_table_matching if all columns value matches, else false. I need script like below.
Compare first columns with second, then with last and chain boolean masks by and for bitwise end. General solution for compare multiple columns defined in list. All filtered columns compare by first one by dataframe.eq and then check if all values for rows are trues by dataframe.all. Detail.
Look if this helps. Using apply output
You can also use transpose with .unique like this.